Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2019 Toyota Corolla SE with your XSE package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan, and the color is called Classic Silver. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, some of your great features include your 7-inch display screen. You also have that great jet black mesh grille, and you have a nice amount of cargo space, but there's tons happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is this handy dandy key fob. This is a Toyota Smart Key. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your trunk release, and your panic button. Now, using your fob, pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. And I wanted to show you here, you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really nice for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And I'm going to put this away because we're going to lock and unlock it with the proximity key, so we're not going to be needing this. I'm going to put that in my pocket. So it's unlocked at the moment. If you want to lock your vehicle and you have your fob on you, you see these little 2 lines here. That is your lock pad. And with that beep, it locked all of the doors for me. And then I can unlock it as well by just placing my hand. That will unlock the driver's side door. So we're going to open this up, take a look at the interior. Beautiful interior, really nice and spacious. Streamline. You have these gorgeous blue accents all throughout the interior. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows and your locks, and your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel, next to your heated steering wheel button and your windshield wiper defrost. So you do have 2 sets of floor mats as well to keep your vehicle nice and clean, and you have your power adjustable driver's seat, so lots of ways to get comfortable there, which won't be hard in this beautiful SofTex interior. So moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof, and again you can see these blue details, the blue stitching and the blue details all throughout the interior. It's really edgy and beautiful. So we're gonna hop on in, we'll start it up for you. We'll take a look at some more technology features that we have happening here. So again, with the proximity key, we have our push start technology. We're gonna start that up. Really nice interior lighting, nice and ambient. That blue glow matches the piping on your seats and that blue stitching. You also have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want on your leather wrapped steering wheel. So again, heated leather steering wheel, nice and luxurious. You have your volume control here and your music selection buttons along with your hands-free calling and your voice command. You also have your mode changer there on the left. And then on the right-hand side, you have your navigation buttons for your central information display. So this is going to give you all of your safety settings like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system. You also have any messages that your vehicle might have. You have your music, you have your navigation system there, and then you have all of your information for your fuel consumption, like your eco indicator. You also have your sway warning, so you can set that timer that will go off when it's time to take a rest on a long road trip. Really nice safety feature to have. You also have your trip computer, your lane departure alert button, and you have your dynamic radar cruise control setting there. You also have your cruise control, which works together with the dynamic radar cruise control. So again, really great safety features with that Toyota Safety Sense. Listening to the audio now, you have everything that you're going to want in terms of music. You have your AM, FM radio. You do have your CD player still. You have your USB and your audio input. You do have a Sirius XM, and you have your Bluetooth audio, which is going to give you your hands-free calling as well. And then in your applications, you have your awesome navigation system, really easy navigation system to use and learn. So come on in, plug in your home address, see how you like using it. Moving a little further down from there, you have your climate control, including your air conditioning, really great for those summer months. And you also have your sunroof for those summer months too, letting that sunshine in. And then you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Right here is your audio input and your USB. And then just to the left here is a 12-volt DC plug-in in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. So moving a little further back, you do have your manual setting here. Really fun to drive the Corolla that way. And you have your traction control and your sport mode. So really fun little car to drive. So moving a little bit further back, you do have a double-decker center console. This is going to give you some extra space to carry some smaller items and some larger items. And moving a little bit further in here, just going to show you the glove box. Nice big glove box, all of the manuals that you're going to need That closes up really nice, and you have, again, that blue stitching all throughout the interior. So I'm just gonna pop this into reverse here so you can see you do have your rear vision camera. Again, great safety setting. You're gonna be able to see behind you when you're backing out of those busy parking lots or just out of your own driveway, making your neighborhood a lot safer, especially if you have children around. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the Corolla. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of the Corolla now, I wanted to show you how much cargo space there was. There is a trunk release button on your fob here, so we're gonna open this up and we'll take a look. So just because you're driving a sedan doesn't mean you don't have anything to carry with you, and the Corolla is definitely a good example of a nice amount of cargo space. Right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happened to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And once again, a nice big space in there. We're gonna close this back up here for you. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Corolla. Giving you a final view then of the 2019 Toyota Corolla SE with your XSE package. Tons happening in this Corolla that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits in with your lifestyle. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.